Hi, if you also have mouse issue while playing your GTA Vice City game, then follow this simple process to fix it. Simply open your browser and search for Dinpu Tate file. Open the first link. Scroll down to download the file. Remember, download the 4.80 version. Once it downloads, right-click and extract the file to the folder. Now copy the file. Right-click and open file location. Paste the file in this folder. Now run the game. As you can see, the mouse is working fine. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.